You can see, I hope, that it's snowing outside, which is why I have endless amounts of time to do this experiment. So we have an electric kettle here with 4 cups of water in it. You can see that there. And we have a sauce pot, which is a little bit bigger than a traditional tea kettle. But we have 4 cups of water in this as well. So we're going to turn on the heat, put a cover on it. We're going to turn on our kettle, and we're going to set a timer for 3 minutes. We'll return to see what has happened to the water. And we just got 10 seconds left. Okay, stop that. Turn off the kettle. We're going to turn off the heat. See here. Put the thermometer in. No, that's not too clear. But the water is settling in at about 140 degrees or so. And we come over to the kettle. See that there is much more steam rising. Thermometer is reading about to burn my hands here, about 180 degrees. So the electric kettle will heat 4 cups of water 40 degrees higher than a traditional kettle, and that saves you time and money.